Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Kaseng Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee menta kasngi kala Pdiang Burom yu Saleng Sangma ubade yunong mikmat ka gabe green na kaseng Nationalist Congress Party belawan man penyeso no sya kaseng Congress. Hagate kasngi la Pdiang Burom yu Saleng Sangma bad ikwe kinong yalam ka NCP na Garo Hills bad na Shillong do President ka Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee haringkat ka jingadan lang uba pencngan NCM uba GA lingdo bat kiwe kinong yalam kaseng Congress kiba hakman kabalalong ha Congress Bhavan haba ai jingkran hakate ka jingalang na kalyang usaleng laong bawat la kate kasingi galong kasingi ka basngosi bat ka bakamen namar bauladan bat ka NCP la slambha bat wala omkwa ban shet kala ya kaseng handai ha kapor udan bat ka NCP yo la satya ban shakri bhai ki patba ban pun urlongi ki jing angnut ki baki kwa Hakoi pat kalyang ulapan pau ya kajing sngo komen ka bakraw ban yo ya trailang bat ban ya dan ringkat lang bat uba Vincent balong ubriu bas ngorin nak liang uba Vincent ulaong bau saleng ude ubriu bat nong mikmat uba syampang uba la ban wanra ya kajing kala bat ude ru ubriu uba dan kajing la bat kajing terang ban yu i jengai
I'm having a bit swinging mood today. One is I'm very sad, and on the other hand, I'm very happy also. Let me tell you why I'm sad is that with NCP, I have been there for many years. They had given me a platform before. I was there, I never wanted to betray. But the fact is that with NCP, I cannot serve the people. That's why I was sad. And then when I want to go forward to give some kind of a transformation to the people, I just cannot fulfill the dreams. But in the meantime, I'm so happy again that I'm having a privilege to work with one of the most humblest humblest president, Vincent Pala, who is none other than the MP of Meghalaya. I'm happy, sir, to work with you. And I'm happy and glad AICC in charge, Matthew Anthony, is there, who is also a Christian. And then I was really happy to work with J. Lindo, who was with UDP before. Now we are in the same board. And I'm happy to see even Richard also Lindo from Giant Hills. I believe all our efforts and teamwork will definitely bring some kind of changes or bring better in the future. And I would like to welcome even one of the MPs, brother-in-law. He is none other than the Agatha's younger brother, your brother-in-law, who has joined with us and who will be competing from the Congress also. And then I've got Sinbad. Along with me, we've got all my NCP Vice President. I've got NCP. We are all marching together towards this NCP tribal. Yeah. He's from Shillong. And then I've got two, three more actually. All of them who could not make it out today. One is in the hospital and then one is outside the country. We were supposed to march together, but out of time lapses that we could not be here today. They couldn't be here today. But I'm glad and happy that we've been working together to see the things that definitely will be better for the future.